Right, just thought I'd do a quick update on the bike. I sorted out that problem with the handlebars, with the gap under there. Once I squeezed it all down, that all went away. Everything else was okay. These washers need replacing. They're very flimsy. As I tightened it up, they twisted. I'm going to have to replace those. Pump the tyres up to 70 psi. Got some pedals off of one of my other bikes. These are V12 Magnesiums. DMR V12s these are. So I'm just going to weigh them, see how much they weigh. See if I can get this set up. Switch that on. $353. Not bad. Alright, let's get these on. Most people change their pedals with new bikes. Everyone has their own preferences. I prefer flats. Don't use. Never been a fan of clipping pedals. Clip the pedals. Tried them once. Didn't really like the feeling of being attached to the bike. So for me, platforms all the way. But then I'm old school. Oh, there we go. That's got it. Put that on. That's it. And that is looking good. That's not bad. What do you reckon? Sweet. There we go. Set up, ready for the first test ride. I'm going to take it over to Lissifran pump track, see how we get on. Take it for its first ride there. Thanks for watching.